Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the antiviral agents. That means the agents that work against the growth of the virus that is being induced in the human body and causing certain diseases. उससे पहले we should know what the virus is. Virus is basically the link between the living and the non-living. ये तो हमें पता है, हमने बहुत बार पढ़ा है since the small classes we have been knowing that virus is the link between the living and non-living, as when it is present outside the human body or in the external environment it is non-living in nature, but as soon as it enters the human body and get the suitable environment it becomes living and it start multiplicating at a very high speed. That is very dangerous and lead to certain diseases. Now let's see what viruses are in detail. Virus can cause a variety of diseases from common cold to flu to serious illness like AIDS, dengue fever, measles, smallpox and bird flu. From these little viral infections to most dreaded diseases, that is like AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, that degrade the immunity system of human and may lead to death. You can analyze how much dangerous it is. All virus infect cells and hijack the host cellular machinery of their own benefit. Learning about the biology and the structure of viruses can help us better understand the diseases that they cause, their prevention and treatment. This is the structure of a virus. It contains an outer envelope, that is the lipoprotein envelope. It has a nucleic acid core, a coat that is called as capsid. Nucleocapsid is the overall structure comprising of nucleic acid and the coat. Then there is a capsomere. It is a morphological protein units of the coat. General characteristics of virus. Viruses may be regarded as exceptionally complex aggregations of non-living chemicals or as exceptionally simple living microbes. Viruses contain a single type of nucleic acid. Either they will be having DNA or they will be having RNA and a protein coat, sometimes enclosed by an envelope composed of lipids, proteins and carbohydrates. Viruses are obligatory intracellular parasites. They multiply by using the host cell synthesizing machinery to cause the synthesis of specialized element that can transfer the viral nucleic acid to the other cells. They won't be doing it on their own until and unless they enter the suitable environment, that is the human body. When they get the required environment, they start showing their action, they start multiplying and will be causing the disease. Now, host range. Host range refers to the spectrum of host cells in which a virus can multiply. Most viruses infect only specific types of cell in one host species, so they do not generally cross species barrier. Host range is determined by a specific attachment site on the host cell surface and the availability of host cellular factors. Virus structure. The viron is a complete, fully developed viral particle composed of nucleic acid surrounded by a coat. Helical virus resemble long rods and their capsids are hollow cylinders surrounding the nucleic acid. Polyhedral viruses are many-sided. Usually the capsid is an isohedron. These are the different categories of virus, and in bracket we have been given the different examples of virus. In envelope, viruses are covered by an envelope and are roughly spherical but highly pleomorphic, like pox virus. These are also enveloped helical viruses and enveloped polyhedral virus. Pleomorphic, many form a tumor may be polymorphic. Complex viruses have complex structure. For example, many bacteriophages have a polyhedral capsid with a helical tail attached. Bacteriophage, a virus that infects and lyses certain bacteria. न्यूक्लिक एसिड. न्यूक्लिक एसिड में क्या आता है? मेजरली डीएनए और आरएनए. वायरसेस कंटेन ईदर डीएनए और आरएनए, नेवर बोथ. And the nucleic acid may be single stranded or double stranded, linear or circular, or divided into several separate molecules. The proportion of nucleic acid in relation to protein virus ranges from about 1% to 50%. DNA virus. Gene expression is much like that of host cell. DNA dependent RNA polymerase synthesize mRNA, that is the messenger RNA. Host cell ribosomes and the transverse RNAs used to translate viral messenger RNA. Unique viral proteins include structural proteins and replication enzymes for viral DNA. For example, herpes virus Epstein-Barr mononucleosis. RNA virus cells cannot make copies of RNA. Three kinds of strategies for RNA virus. Either positive strand RNA virus, the genome is also mRNA. The first task of virus is to translate viral specific proteins including RNA dependent RNA polymerase from viral RNA. The enzyme makes more mRNA and the new RNA for virus. Then positive stranded RNA genome molecule of single stranded sense RNA. There are certain examples that are given. Negative strand RNA virus, the genome is the complement of mRNA. First task of virus is to make mRNA. Therefore, the virus imports RNA polymerase or transcriptase as a part of viral structure. Negative stranded RNA virus, the genome consists of one or more molecules of single stranded antisense RNA like measles, mumps, respiratory syncytial virus, rabies, Ebola, influenza and many more. Now this is the life cycle of a virus that comprise of the penetration, uncoating, then it enters the host cell जिसमें transcription and translation will occur. That means the conversion of DNA to RNA and RNA to protein will occur. Then it will replicate और replication एक बार start हो गया मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन वायरस का एक बार स्टार्ट हो गया देन इट इज़ बिकम वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर इट टू स्टॉप एंड इट मल्टीप्लाई एट अ वेरी हाई रेट. Now viral classification, nucleic acid content, viral morphology, site of replication, coating, serological typing, cell types infected. Nucleic acid content में we will have DNA, RNA. Viral morphologically may be helical, isohedral depending upon the shape and the structure. Site of replication मतलब कि सेल में किस जगह पे they are been acting, that is cytoplasm, nucleus etc. Coating, whether it will be enveloped or non-enveloped. Serological typing, whether it is antigenic or not. Cell types infected मतलब what type of cells it has been infecting like T, B, lymphocytes, monocytes. Then RNA virus, picoranovirus or that is causing polio, rhinovirus, common cold and pneumonia, hepatitis A, influenza, rabies virus, retrovirus, human T lymphotrophic virus, arenavirus, orthomoxovirus and pyramoxomavirus and many more. DNA virus में we will be having herpes virus, hepatitis B virus, pox virus. Now, approaches to treat viral diseases. As viruses are intracellular parasites, there are very few unique targets in virus. This distinguishes virus from infectious organisms. Challenges in designing antiviral treatment. Host cell must be immune to treatment. Viral infection symptoms often associated with latency and period. General antiviral strategies are to inhibit viral attachment to host cell, penetration and coating enzymes, DNA, RNA polymerase etc., reverse transcriptase, protease etc. Inhibit viral transcription or viral translation, interfere with glycosylation, phosphorylation, sulfonylation. These are all the challenges that are being faced during the formation of the antiviral agents. क्योंकि एक antiviral drug बनाना कोई आसान काम नहीं है, इसलिए अभी तो we have been seeing a lot of cases of the coronavirus also, so it is not easy to fight with the virus that is present in human body. So these are the certain challenges that occur during the action of the drug. Host expression of viral protein, assembly of viral proteins, release of virus from cell surface membranes. Now classification, nucleoside antimetabolites, inhibitor of DNA polymerase. In this we have idozuridine, trifluridine, viradabine, acyclovir, valacyclovir, ganciclocyclovir, famciclocyclovir, cidofovir for conescent sodium. Reverse transcriptase inhibitor, zidovudine, dinosine, zelcitabine, stavudine, lamivudine. Miscellaneous में ribavirin. Now drug used in treatment of HIV, human immunovirus, that is the most we can say dreaded virus that cause AIDS. Non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, nevirapine, delaviridine, ephedrins. That these are all the drugs that are being given just to enhance the immunity system. However, as we all know, this virus cannot be completely eliminated till now. Protease inhibitor, saquinavir, indinavir, emprenavir, ritonavir, nelfinavir. Drugs of biological origin, we have interferon alpha, interferon alpha 2A, 2B, interferon beta, and interferon gamma. Drugs of herbal origin, we have Flacosid, Alpicerin, Helipin, Gosipol. These are the drugs that have been originated with the herbal source. According to the clinical utility, antiviral drugs are classified into anti-influenza drugs that have adamantane derivatives, in which we have amantadine and rimondatine, inhibitors of viral neuraminidase, in which we have zanamivir, oseltamivir, and inducers of interferon synthesis, arbidol. Then we have anti-herpes drugs, in which we have nucleoside analogues, that is acyclovir, valacyclovir, famciclovir, ioxiguridine, and ganciclovir. Then the drug used for the treatment of HIV, inhibitor of reverse transcriptase, in which we have nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, zidovudine, didanosine, stavudine, lamivudine, zalcitabine, and the non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, that is the nevirapine and ephedrins. Protease inhibitor, we have saquinavir, indinavir, amprenavir, and ritonavir. Now, the drugs used for the treatment of cytomegalovirus infections, in which we have nucleoside analogues, ganciclovir and valganciclovir. Miscellaneous drugs we have for carnet. The antiviral drugs with an extended spectrum of action, we have ribavirin, lamivudine, and interferons alpha, beta, etc. These are the categories that we need to learn or memorize of the drugs that are antiviral in nature. Now let's see them in detail. We have amantadine hydrochloride. इसमें हमें याद करने का हमारा इसमें क्या रहेगा, हमें इसको मेमोराइज कैसे करना है. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, सारी जो कैटेगरीज हैं वो हम इससे लर्न कर लेंगे. फिर उसके बाद हम देखेंगे कि किस किस कैटेगरी में कौन कौन सी ड्रग आ रही है. फिर हम वो मेमोराइज कर लेंगे कि हमें नेम्स तो एटलीस्ट याद होने चाहिए, और स्ट्रक्चर. फिर हम उन सारे स्ट्रक्चर और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली वो स्ट्रक्चर जो आपके सिलेबस में स्टेरिक करके साइन मार्क होगा, वो ड्रग्स के स्ट्रक्चर तो हमें बिल्कुल मतलब करेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर हमें याद होना चाहिए उनका. बाकी में थोड़ी थोड़ी गलती करेंगे तो फिर चल भी जाएगा कि कोई इतना देखेगा नहीं, बट उसमें उसका हमें स्ट्रक्चर प्रॉपरली याद होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल एज इट इज़. फिर उसके बाद हम उसका फर्दर देखेंगे कि सिंथेसिस क्या है या फिर स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटी रिलेशनशिप क्या है, ओनली ऑफ द ड्रग दैट आर मार्क्ड एज स्टेरिक इन योर सिलेबस. ओके. Now, amantadine hydrochloride, approved by Food and Drug Administration in 1976 to treat influenza. It inhibits uncoating of viral genome, specifically target protein called M2 and ion channel. In fact, it is inactive against influenza B, which lacks M2. Pharmacokinetics, well absorbed orally, crosses blood-brain barrier. 90% excreted unchanged, no report of metabolic products. Side effects include low toxicity at therapeutic level, some CNS side effect, and the hallucinations. This is the structure of rimondatine. Now acyclovir. acyclovir क्या करेगा, acyclovir thiamidine kinase के प्रेजेंस में फॉर्म करेगा acyclovir मोनोफॉस्फेट, which in presence of guanosine monophosphate kinase will form the acyclovir triphosphate. Acyclovir triphosphate compete for deoxyguanine triphosphate and hence is competitively inhibit DNA polymerase. It will be inhibiting DNA polymerase. Ultimately, it also incorporate with viral DNA chain during DNA synthesis. Because acyclovir triphosphate lacks 3-hydroxyl group of cyclic sugar, it terminates further elongation of DNA chain. This is the structure of acyclovir, and this is the synthesis of acyclovir by guanine. The drug primarily used to treat herpes infection. It can be thought of as a purine mimic. Note similarity to 2-deoxyguanosine, lack of 3-3-hydroxyl. Acyclovir का mechanism of action, it includes 3 steps: activation, in which acyclovir क्या करेगा, in the presence of host thymidine kinase and HSV1 thymidine kinase, it will lead to the formation of certain derivatives which will ultimately form the acyclovir triphosphate. ये जो इसके स्टेप्स हैं, दे आर गिवन इन दिस स्लाइड. यस, हेयर इट इज़. तो इसमें क्या होगा, अल्टीमेटली एसाइक्लोविर ट्राइफॉस्फेट जब फॉर्म करेगा तो उससे क्या होगा, इट विल इनहिबिट द डीएनए पॉलीमरेज, जिसकी वजह से जो हमारा सेल एलोंगेशन मतलब क्रोमोसोमल फॉर्मेशन प्लस द सेल एलोंगेशन हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे न्यू सेल्स हमें मिल रहे हैं ऑफ द वायरस, वो इनहिबिट हो जाएगा एंड हेंस वी विल बी एबल टू क्योर द वायरल इन्फेक्शन. नाउ वी हैव द idosuridine. It will, in the presence of thiamidylate kinase, it will form a certain compound and will ultimately form O5-triphosphate. Which is a substrate, and the inhibition of viral DNA polymerase enzyme causing inhibition of viral DNA synthesis and facilitating the synthesis of DNA that contain iodinated pyrimidine. This altered DNA is more susceptible to strand breakage and leads to the faulty transcription. The iodinated DNA is transcribed and the results are miscoding errors in RNA faulty protein synthesis. Also used to treat herpes infection, it is a pyrimidine nucleoside mimic. Similarity, it is similar to deoxythymidine with interesting iodouridine base. Now this is the stepwise mechanism of action of idosuridine. What will it do? Firstly, it will form the idosuridine triphosphate that will be activated in nature. Then it will be forming in the presence of DNA polymerase and the synthesis will continue. This is the structure of AGTTC. ये जो हमें AGTTC नज़र आ रहा है, what is it? It is the adenosine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenosine, guanine. ये इसका रिपीटेटिव स्ट्रक्चर है. ये इसमें क्या करेगा, सिंथेसिस इसकी कंटिन्यू होगी, इसमें बीच में फॉल्ट कॉज करेगा. तो जो इसके बीच में फॉल्ट कॉज होगा तो उससे क्या होगा, हमारे वायरल प्रोटीन फॉर्मेशन ही नहीं हो पाएगा, या फिर हमारा जो वायरस है वो फॉल्टी वायरल प्रोटीन फॉर्म करेगा, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा, हमारे जो वायरल पार्टिकल्स हैं दे विल बी डिफेक्टिव. देन गैंसीक्लोविर, it is an analog of acyclovir with an additional hydroxy methyl group on acyclic side chain. मोस्टली सेम स्ट्रक्चर है, बस क्या फ़र्क है, मोस्टली सिमिलर टू एसाइक्लोविर है गैंसीक्लोविर का स्ट्रक्चर, बस इसमें एक हमारा हाइड्रोक्सिल मिथाइल ग्रुप और एक्स्ट्रा प्रेजेंट होगा. मैकेनिज्म इसकी बिल्कुल एज इट इज़ रहेगी एज एसाइक्लोविर एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड अगेंस्ट HSV एंड VSV एंड ग्रेटली अगेंस्ट CMV इन्फेक्शन. This is the structure of human immunovirus that is causing AIDS. Retrovirus has the enzyme reverse transcriptase as a part of viral structure. A double-stranded DNA copy of viral genome is produced. This copy can integrate into the host cell chromosome. Some retrovirus can cause tumors in animals. Oncogenes. Human immunodeficiency virus is a retrovirus. It is the causative agent of AIDS, as we all know. Then reverse transcriptase will be occurring, that is viral genomic RNA to DNA RNA complex and forming the double-stranded DNA. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में क्या था, DNA से वी वर फॉर्मिंग द RNA. तो रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में क्या होगा, उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, जो हमारा जीनोमिक RNA है उससे हमें मिल जाएगा डबल स्ट्रैंडेड DNA, which is ready for the integration into the host chromosome. The enzyme that catalyzes this set of reaction is reverse transcriptase. और ये जो रिएक्शन कॉज कर रहा है, ये कौन कॉज करेगा, रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज, उसी पे इस एंजाइम का नाम हो जाएगा. All classical antiretrovirus agents are 2,3-dideoxynucleoside analogues. These agents are acting at earlier stage in the infected cells. It's very weak against chronic stage. That means the prolonged stage. Next we have the zidovudine. It is an analog of thymidine. It's active against agents retrovirus HIV1 to HTLV1. The mechanism is retrovirus possess a RT or a RNA directed DNA polymerase. It directs DNA copy of viral RNA genome, which is duplicated, circularized and incorporated into the DNA of an infective cells. इसका action we have the AZT. Thymidine kinase की presence में will form the AZT monophosphate, which will form diphosphate and then triphosphate, and it will competitively inhibit the RT with respect to thymidine in the triphosphate. Then it prevent formation of 5,3-phosphodiester bond, जिसकी वजह से so it cause DNA chain termination leading to an incomplete proviral DNA. अल्टीमेटली ये क्या करेगा, ये जो है हमारा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड करेगा, जिसकी वजह से जो डीएनए चेन टर्मिनेशन है इट विल बी इनहिबिटेड, मतलब इट विल बी टर्मिनेटेड, डीएनए चेन विल बी टर्मिनेटेड और हमें जो डीएनए रिक्वायर्ड है वो नहीं होगा, इट विल बी इनकम्प्लीट डीएनए. The AZT monophosphate competitively inhibit thymidine kinase and thus decrease intracellular thymidine triphosphate. Its greater affinity for HIV-RT than human DNA polymerase. ये तो क्लियर वर्ड्स में ही दिया हुआ है दैट जितनी ज़्यादा उसकी एफिनिटी है इस वजह से, मतलब जब हमारा मेन चीज़ यह है कि जब हमारा डीएनए का रेप्लिकेशन स्टॉप हो गया है या फिर हमारा जो डीएनए फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है वो इनकम्प्लीट हो रहा है, तो फिर द डिजीज़ विल नॉट बी सीन एंड हेंस यही हमारा एंटीवायरल ड्रग का काम है, टू इनहिबिट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन बेसिकली. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द डाइडेनोसिन. It's bioactivated 2,3-dideoxyinosine triphosphate by host cell enzyme which is competitively inhibit RT and incorporated into the viral DNA. It causes chain termination in HIV infected cell. Zolcitabine क्या करेगा? It will, in the presence of deoxycytidine, it will form zolcitabine monophosphate. In the presence of cellular kinase, it will form triphosphate. फिर इसका सेम मैकेनिज्म आ जाएगी. It will कॉम्पिटेटिव इनहिबिशन कॉज करेगा इन टर्मिनेशन ऑफ द वायरल डीएनए चेन. जो वायरल डीएनए वो डीएनए चेन जो वायरल वाली है उसको हमारा टर्मिनेट करके इट विल बी क्योरिंग इट. इट ऑल्सो इनहिबिट होस्ट माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डीएनए सिंथेसिस, लो कंसंट्रेशन टॉक्सिसिटी एंड द यूजेस इंक्लूड इट इज़ यूजफुल अगेंस्ट HIV-1 एंड HIV-2. Next we have the lamivudine. Its promising antiviral action. It was developed resistant as a result of mutation in codon 184 of the gene that encode HIV-RT. It is combined with AZT and increase CD4 plus counts. It is a semisynthetic nucleoside analog that differ from 2,3-dideoxycytidine by the sustain of a sulfur atom substitution of a sulfur atom in place of a methylene group at third position of the ribose ring, that is the sugar. Next we have the ribavirin. It is a pure purine nucleoside analog with modified base and D-sugar moiety. Ribavirin in the presence of kinase form ribavirin monophosphate and then will form the RTP. RMB inhibit inosine monophosphate dehydrogenase and thereby preventing the incorporation of IMP to xanthine MP. XMP is required for guanosine triphosphate synthesis. It will inhibit the viral mRNA polymerase. Inhibits very wide variety of RNA and DNA virus. It is used to treat respiratory syncytial virus. Next we have the saquinavir. It is a oral medication that is used for treating infections. It is in this class of drugs called protease inhibitors. Protease is the enzyme that conforms the new structural proteins and enzymes. Saquinavir blocks the activity of protease and results in the formation of defective virus that are unable to infect the body cells. As a result, the number of virus in the body, the viral load decreases. Saquinavir, what will it do combined with the other retroviral agent? It lower P24 antigen level in HIV infected patients and it will elevate the CD4 plus counts. P24 level को reduce और CD4 plus counts को मतलब plus. तो ये हो जाएगा इसका mechanism of action of saquinavir. Next we have the ritonavir. This is the structure and this is the structure of inidavir. So these are the remaining or the miscellaneous drugs that were left for the that are the antiviral drugs that are used for the treatment of the viral diseases, and to much extent they have been found very useful. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Hope you like it.